A task I've been putting off in the greenhouse for a long time is unboxing these GreenStalk planters. It's because I've unboxed and assembled a GreenStalk planter before, and I know it takes a lot of different steps to get them put together. So my goal today is not to finish putting them together, it's just to get them out of these boxes. And part of that is that I don't have the potty mix to put in them yet. It's kind of scattered around, and that's going to be a whole nother process to get it here. But I think it would feel good to just get to the next step of this project and have these containers out of their boxes, and then maybe I would actually get a little bit excited about getting them set up and getting some plants into them. So today we are not completing our whole setup. We're just going to unbox these GreenStalk planters. Let's see, I'm going to set a stopwatch. Let's see how long it takes me to get these two planters out of their boxes. Thanks for joining me at Kendall's Greenhouse. Start a stopwatch. There's a spider web in here. There's another lid. Our tubing for the self-watering setup. I have the top container for water. All of the center water containers. Had all my watering system stuff in it. Done. That took me 3.5 minutes. Water reservoir. big boxes are now just this one stack, and plus my little bit of watering tubes there. So that was great. And I got rid of those 2 big boxes that have been in my greenhouse for months because I ordered let's see, it's the middle of April and I ordered these planters on a sale around Christmas at some point. So that feels really good to get started. And now I know I'm thinking about if I want bases in here or not. And I know I just need to get potting mix in here, and I can start to plant some of my peppers and container tomatoes into this container, and that feels great. Thanks for joining me. Can't wait to see you again in another video soon. Bye.